Here is my code of regular false method. This is one step ahead of second method. Uh, Difference is that it check at every successive iteration the validity of the roots by checking the value of the function product of the value of the functions should be negative at successive iteration. Here basically I have given variable p, p1, t and n to the initial first approximation, second approximation, tolerance and number of iteration. Here I have given the type of variable like n is integer, p is float and p1 is also float and t also float tolerance value. One thing we have to take in mind that I should start from 2 onwards. So I is equal to 2. Now I have started a while loop by the condition that the I should be lesser than the maximum iteration value. Here the function which I have taken is x power 4 minus 11x plus 8. So basically I am first calculating the value of the function at p and p1 like by these two function, and then I'm by this formula of p2 is equal to p1 minus bracket fp1 multiplication with p1 minus p bracket close divide by function of p at p1 minus a function at p. Basically I'm giving another variable y, the value of p naught, yeah, or p, but that will be used here in the future in the next lines of the code. The here I have started with the condition like the if next iteration p2 from which is coming from this, if this is higher than the previous iteration p1 and p2 minus p1 is lesser than our tolerance value or equal to our tolerance value, then this condition will get satisfied and we will get our root that is p2. We will get a root that is p2 and it will also print after which iteration roots has came like from with the ith iteration. And this break statement, if this condition gets satisfied, then this break will come make us to come out of this whole while loop, and we does not need to go to steps if we this condition get true. If this condition does not get true, like if the next iteration is not higher than the previous iteration, like p2 minus p1 is not positive but it is negative, like here p1 minus p2 is positive and the p1 minus p2 is less than or equal to our tolerance value, then also we get our root, then it will print the root of the equation is p2, then iteration number, and this break will similarly do what it will come out of the this if this both condition does not satisfy, like p2 is not p2 minus p1 is not lesser than tolerance value, then this condition will not run and it will come to this point and it will give the value which we have p1 to the p0 and p2 to p1, and then we will again find out the function value fp1 and pfpp. Oh, and we will check the condition that the new values of fp1 and p has to be negative to satisfy this regular falsy method. If this condition does not satisfy, means if regular falsy condition is that product should be negative, but here I put in the condition of positive. If this condition positive satisfy, like this products are positive, then it will give the value which p0 we have initially stored in form of y to the new p0. So again it will give the value of p0 what initially we have, and it will proceed further with I is equal to I plus 1, and again by increasing the I, it will goes here. If this condition satisfied, like the iteration point is going beyond the maximum iteration value, then it will bring that you are went out of maximum iteration, and it will break and we will come out of this loop. So he basically I'm running my code. I have it is in terminal command pro. My It's basically asking us the initial approximation by giving values of 1 and 2 in our function, that is x to the power 4 minus 11x plus 8. We'll give their products are negative. So I'm taking them 1 and second approximation as 2, and the tolerance value is point up to 5 digit. Number of iteration I am giving 12, and then the roots up to 5 digit is coming like this, and it's all saying that it's a scheme after 10th iteration. Suppose if we type the means the iteration, the roots come after the maximum iteration and be given only the less iteration, then it will give us the statement like this, like we have given only 4, then it will give us that failed went out of maximum iteration. So yeah, this is my final. So